Good morning students. Welcome back to e-learning class of mathematics. For this session, your maths book is Maths Marvel. Today's topic is rational numbers. Let's start the topic. Students, before starting the main topic rational numbers, first we will discuss few points. First is natural numbers. Natural numbers means counting numbers, and we know counting always begins with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the collection of natural numbers, and another name of natural number is counting numbers. Set of counting numbers means collection. Set means well defined collection. तो काउंटिंग नंबर्स का जो कलेक्शन है दैट बिगिंस विद 1 बट इट हैज़ नो लिमिटेशन. And this is represented by capital N. If capital N is written anywhere in mathematics, it means this shows the collection of natural numbers. Next is whole numbers. When we write 0 with the natural numbers, then this collection forms collection of whole numbers, and you have to remember one thing: natural numbers always begin with 1 but whole numbers begin with 0. Next is integers. When we write the collection of all positive numbers, they are negative numbers with 0, then this complete collection is called collection of integers. Means सारे positive, negative and 0 जो collection form करता है that is called integers, and the set of integers is represented by capital Z. Set means collection. Z has two varieties, Z plus and Z minus. Z plus means all positive integers and Z minus means all negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is 0 integer, ये ना तो plus होता है ये ना minus होता है. Now we will discuss about rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q means जो नंबर हम P upon Q के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, but denominator means Q can never be 0. This symbol shows not equal. Q कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता. Both P and Q are integers. P and Q integers हैं दोनों. P and Q दोनों positive भी हो सकते हैं. They can be negative. P may be 0 but Q can never be 0. P 0 हो सकता है but Q 0 नहीं हो सकता. I have written few examples like 1 upon 2, like 0. 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. This is P upon Q form, so it is rational number. Minus 3 upon 7, 0.365, it is a decimal form. This is also rational number because it can be written as 365 upon 1000, because when you remove the decimal then there are 3 digits after the decimal, so we will write 1000 in denominator. This is 0.121212. This can be written as 0.12 bar. This is the recurring number, so recurring number is also rational number. Okay, now positive rational numbers means a rational number whose both numerator and denominator are positive or whose both numerator and denominator are negative. या तो numerator and denominator दोनों positive हो या दोनों negative हो, then rational number is positive, because plus plus is plus, minus minus is also plus, so this will give positive rational number. Next is negative rational numbers means a rational number whose either numerator और डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव. या तो न्यूमरेटर नेगेटिव होगा या डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव होगा, देन रेशनल नंबर इज नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट चेक पॉइंट 1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिप्रेजेंट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑन नंबर लाइन्स. We have been given these rational numbers and we have to represent these rational numbers on number line. Now let us represent rational number 1 upon 5 on the number line in which numerator 1 is smaller than the denominator 5. Students, for this first of all we will draw a line segment. इसके लिए हम एक line segment draw करेंगे and mark 0 anywhere, और हम 0 को कहीं पर भी mark करेंगे. Now check the denominator. This is 5. Denominator is 5, so we will put 5 marks on this line segment after the 0. This is first, second, third, fourth and fifth mark. And remember that all the marks should be at equal distance. ये equal distance पर होने चाहिए. Repeat the same process on the left side of 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and fifth mark. Okay. Now write their values. This will be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and finally 5. And on the left side of 0, we will write -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Okay, we have to represent rational number 1 upon 5 whose denominator is 5. So write 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 means 1. And -1 upon 5, -2 upon 5, -3 upon 5, -4 upon 5 and finally -5 upon 5. This will give -1. Okay, this is the number line. So put arrows on both sides. Okay, and we have to represent 1 upon 5. So this shows 1 upon 5 and write it as A. A represents 1 upon 5 on the number line. Student, if you have to represent negative rational number, then you can represent on the left side of the 0. Now we will represent 7 upon 4 on the number line. In 7 upon 4, numerator 7 is greater than denominator 4. So students, first of all, we will convert this rational number in mixed fraction, which is 1 whole 3 upon 4. So we will repeat the same process. First of all, draw a line segment and mark 0 anywhere. Now we have to check its denominator, which is 4. So we will put 4 equal marks on the right side of the 0 as well as on the left side of the 0. This becomes first, second, third and fourth mark. Then for -1, for -2, -3 and -4. Now write their values. This will be 1 upon 4, then 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 means 1. But we see that this number is greater than 1. So we will repeat the same process after 1. 1 के बाद भी ये काम हम फिर से करेंगे. Means again हम लोग यहाँ पर 4 mark put करेंगे. After 4, this is 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th mark. And same on the left side. We will mark. This is 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. And now write rational numbers for these marks. This will be 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4 and 8 upon 4. 8 upon 4 means 2. Now write on the left side. This is -1 upon 4, -2 upon 4, -3 upon 4, -4 upon 4. -4 upon 4 means -1, -5 upon 4, -6 upon 4, -7 upon 4, -8 upon 4 and this will give -2. We have to represent the rational number on number line. So we will put arrows on both sides. Is it clear? Now 7 upon 4. This is 7 upon 4. Write it as A. And A represents 7 upon 4 on the number line. Students, if you have to represent negative rational number on the number line, मतलब अगर माइनस वाला शो करना है तो जो हमने राइट साइड में करा था, you will repeat the same process on the left side. Suppose you have to represent -5 upon 4, then this will show -5 upon 4. Now question number 4, in which we have to convert negative denominators in पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर्स. मीन्स जो रेशनल नंबर हमें गिवन है उनके नेगेटिव डिनोमिनेटर्स दिए हैं और उन्हें हमें पॉजिटिव बनाना है. इन रेशनल नंबर 15 upon -29 डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव एंड वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस डिनोमिनेटर इन पॉजिटिव साइन. सो either you can write it directly as -15 upon 29 or another method is do the multiplication of -1 in numerator and also in denominator. Okay, 15 1 ja 15 with minus sign -15, minus plus and it becomes +29. So either you can write directly or do the multiplication of -1 in numerator and also in denominator. Now question 5. Express 4 upon 6 as a rational number with the given numerators. Means we have to write the numerator of 4 upon 6 as 16, then in next part as 24, and in next part 32, and in D part we have to write the numerator as 2. Students, we have to write the numerator of this rational number as 16, and we know that 4 4 is 16. So do the multiplication of 4 in numerator and also in denominator. This will give 4 4 is 16 in numerator and 6 4 is 24 in denominator. Same in the next part, we have to write 24 as the numerator, and we know that 4 6 are 24. So do the multiplication of 6 in numerator and also in denominator. This will give 24 upon 36. Now question number 6. In question number 6, we have been given rational numbers, and we have to write these rational numbers in their standard form. Students, for the standard form of rational number, we have to remember 2 points. First, denominator should always be positive. अगर ये negative है तो first we will make it positive. Second thing, numerator and denominator should not have any common factor except 1. 1 के अलावा इनके पास कोई भी common factor ना हो, means अगर ये किसी common number से कट हो रहे हैं तो हम इसे कट करके reduced form में convert करेंगे. So इसके लिए हम लोग क्या calculate करेंगे? HCF means highest common factor. You can use any one method to find the HCF. Here the HCF of 6 and 30 is 6. So divide both numerator and denominator by 6, and this will give 6 1 is 6 and 6 5 is 30. So reduced form, that means standard form is 1 upon 5. Now question number 9. In this question, we have been given 4 rational numbers, and we have to write these rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger number. And in 10th question, again 4 rational numbers are given, and we have to write them in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. The method of these two questions is same. Only this is in ascending order and this is in descending order. Students, we have to write given rational numbers in descending order. So first of all, we will make their denominators same. Minus sign is given with denominator, so it will be shifted with numerator, and it becomes minus 13 upon 28. To make their denominators same, we will take the LCM of all the denominators, and this will be 84. So the new denominator of all these rational numbers will be 84. Here the denominator is 7, so do the multiplication of 12. It will give minus 48 upon 84. Now the denominator is 14. So do the multiplication of 6. This will give minus 54 upon 84. Next, denominator is 28. So do the multiplication of 3 in both numerator and denominator. This will give minus 39 upon 84. Now denominator is 42. So do the multiplication of 2. This will give minus 46 upon 84. We have to write these rational numbers in descending order. Descending order means सबसे पहले बड़ा लिखेंगे, then smaller, फिर उससे छोटा and then उससे छोटा. But here all the rational numbers are with negative sign. So जो सबसे छोटा होगा negative sign के साथ वही सबसे बड़ा बन जाएगा. So the bigger one is minus 39 and upon 84, then minus 46 upon 84, minus 48 upon 84, and minus 54 upon 84. Minus 39 upon 84 is equivalent to 13 upon minus 28, and it is minus 13 upon 28. Then minus 46 upon 84 is equivalent to minus 23 upon 42. Minus 48 upon 84 is equivalent to minus 4 upon 7. Minus 54 upon 84 is equivalent to minus 9 upon 14. This is the descending order of given rational numbers. Now, properties of rational numbers. First property is closure property, and closure property under addition. For two rational numbers a and b, their sum is a plus b. दो rational numbers का sum a plus b होगा और वो भी रेशनल नंबर होगा. दिस क्यू शोज द सेट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स एंड दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ बिलोंग्स टू. तो अगर हम दो रेशनल नंबर्स को प्लस करते हैं तो जो आंसर होगा वो भी रेशनल नंबर होगा. लाइक 2 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9, दिस विल गिव 9 upon 9 which is 1, and this is also a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under addition. Under subtraction means अगर a और b दो रेशनल नंबर है, then subtraction means a minus b, then a minus b will also be rational number. Like 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10 will give 3 upon 10, and 4 upon 10 minus 7 upon 10 will give minus 3 upon 10. These two are rational numbers, so we can say rational numbers are closed under subtraction. And also in case of multiplication, if a and b are two rational numbers and we do the multiplication of these two rational numbers, then answer will also be a rational number. For example, 5 upon 6 multiply 7 upon 5, 5 to 5 cancel out. This will give 7 upon 6, which is a rational number. 1 upon 2 multiply 0 will give 0, which is also a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under multiplication, under subtraction and also under addition. Now, closure property under division means अगर हम किसी रेशनल नंबर को किसी दूसरे रेशनल नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो हमारा आंसर होगा वो ऑलवेज रेशनल नंबर नहीं होगा. लाइक 5 अपॉन 0. इफ वी डिवाइड एनी रेशनल नंबर बाय 0 देन दिस विल गिव नॉट डिफाइंड. It means we can say rational numbers are not closed under division. But if we divide any rational number by any other rational number, this will give रेशनल नंबर. सो रेशनल नंबर को अगर 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर नॉट डिफाइंड होगा. दैट मीन्स वहाँ पर क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगी. बट अगर किसी रेशनल नंबर को सेम नंबर से या किसी दूसरे रेशनल नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा वो रेशनल नंबर होगा. Now second property is commutative property. Another name of commutative property is order property. Suppose we are having two rational numbers a and b. Then under addition means we can add any two rational numbers in any way. Write them as a plus b or b plus a. Both have same answer. For example, 5 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 will give 8 upon 2. That means 4. And b plus a means 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will also give 8 by 2. Answer is 4. So you can add any two rational numbers in any way. Under multiplication, a multiply b will be equal to b multiply a. Means you can do the multiplication of any two rational numbers in any order. Like 3 multiply 5 equal to 5 multiply 3. In both cases, answer will be same. Now for subtraction and division, if we do the subtraction form, that means a minus b will not be equal to b minus a, because 5 minus 3 will give 2 and 3 minus 5 will give minus 2. So rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. And for division, a divided by b not equal to b divided by a means 3 upon 4 का आंसर अलग होगा and 4 upon 3 का आंसर अलग होगा. So we can say rational numbers are commutative under multiplication and addition, but not for subtraction and division. Now next is additive identity of rational numbers. Students, additive means plus and identity means same. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी का मतलब ऐसा कौन सा रेशनल नंबर है जिसको किसी भी रेशनल नंबर में ऐड करने पर सेम आंसर आए, एंड दैट इज 0. If we do the addition of any rational number and the 0, then answer will be the same rational number. चाहे आप उसको लेफ्ट साइड से ऐड करो चाहे राइट साइड से ऐड करो, आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी सेम. सो 0 इज द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड आइडेंटिटी मीन्स सेम. सो 1 का मल्टीप्लाई करने पर सेम रेशनल नंबर आंसर में आता है. सो 1 इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. वेदर यू डू द multiplication from right side or from the left side, answer will always be same. Now next property is additive inverse. For any rational number a upon b, its additive inverse will be minus a upon b because their sum is 0. Students, additive means plus and inverse means उल्टा. अगर कोई रेशनल नंबर पॉजिटिव है then its additive inverse will be negative because their sum is 0. अगर कोई रेशनल नंबर नेगेटिव है तो उसका एडिटिव इन्वर्स प्लस होगा बिकॉज दोनों को प्लस करने पर 0 आना चाहिए. नाउ रेसिप्रोकल और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स. रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स उल्टा, means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. For any rational number a upon b, its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse will be b upon a because their product is 1. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स वो नंबर होता है जिसका उस सेम रेशनल नंबर पे मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 1 आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2 upon 7 is 7 upon 2. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator and their product is 1.